Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to pay with Shein Wallet. Now, if you're a Shein shopaholic and you want to use your Shein Wallet, it's very easy. All you need to do is go, let's choose this one. For example, let's buy this. Let's put this in our cart. Click add to cart. So size black, add to cart, go to view cart. Once you have view cart, all you need to do is click on checkout now. So click checkout now. And as you can see, you have a few options here for payment methods. So you have cash, COD, cash on delivery, you have Gcash, you have PayPal, you have GrabPay, and you have your credit/debit card. So this is going to be your Shein card. So choose that, right? Make sure you've set up your Visa or MasterCard wallet, and then just place order and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.